Well, today we're going to talk about factorial. Now, when you talk about factorial, what do we mean? If you have not watched my video on equations, kindly do so, else you may not understand this lesson very well. My name is Queen Mesa. Factorial is a mathematical symbol that we use in mathematics. How does the symbol look like? Watch out. This is the symbol of factorial. And we do not use the symbol alone. Normally we attach the symbol to a variable. For example, I may write this as a factorial. Yes, when I write a factorial, what do I mean? It is very simple. Let us consider a number like 2. So 2 factorial. What is 2 factorial? The variable happens to be 2. So in order to get 2 factorial, all you have to do is to subtract 1 from the 2 and then multiply the answer, which is 1, by the 2. So we have 2 times 1. So the solution to 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Now there is a key note we have to take note of. That is 0 factorial. What is 0 factorial? Mathematically, we see 0 factorial is still 1. In my explanation, you may think that why don't you subtract 1 from the 0 to get a negative 1? But in the set of factorial, you don't have anything like a negative number. We only use positive numbers, right? For that matter, we see 0 factorial is 1. These 2 factorial can still be written in a different form. How? We can write 2 factorial as 2 times 1 times 0 factorial. Okay, now check it out. What is 2 times 1? Yes, 2. Now, per definition, we know that 0 factorial is 1. So check it out. We have 2 times 1, which is 2, times 0 factorial, which is 1. So 2 times 1 is what? 2. Yes. Let me give you another example. 3 factorial. We have 3 times 2 times 1. Yes. Or 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1 times 0 factorial. You can decide to bring the 0 factorial or neglect it. It doesn't change anything. So now 3 times 2 times 1, what do we have? We have 6. 3 times 2 times 1, we have 6. Times 1, we still have 6. Yes, that is what we refer to as a factorial. Let me give you more examples. What is 1 factorial? That is 1 times 0 factorial. And it is a 1. Well, what is 4 factorial? That is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Or 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 0 factorial. So here we have what? 4 3 12 times 2 24. Yes, so 4 factorial happens to be 24. And the same way, we have 24. Work this one on your own. 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 7 factorial. Well, that is how I can bring this lesson to its successful end. Thank you.